What is going on, guys? So today we're gonna unbox a package from Shopee. You've seen the address. Didn't notice that. Okay, we're gonna start. Okay, take in this side. We'll find out what I'm gonna unbox later. Wait. Black bubble wrap again. Okay. I was lucky, by the way, because the original price of this was 91. It was price drop. It became 83 pesos. I waited for the price to come down. Or maybe I just used the voucher, that's why it's very low. The price is very low. I hope the quality is not cheap. Let's find out later. Okay, let's set aside the bubble wrap. Okay. Let's remove the tree. Okay, let's check out this first cube. Oh my god. Okay, looks like oh, I thought I wasn't gonna put some date on in the box cover. Okay. Looks like it's high quality if it turns. If it turns. Okay, let's do first turns, I guess. Okay. So it's not stickered, it's basically a stickerless cube, but it's painted with colors. Okay. Not bad though. It's fast, nothing cheap to be noticed. Okay, let's check the other one too. Juicing toys. Oh, so that's why it's not cheap. I had this too way back from 2017. It was stickerless too, and it's the color shade, by the way, was from the Rubik's brand. And the orange was replaced by a colored brown shade instead of using a orange color shade at the left. I think there's some dirt on the yellow side. I think I can remove this with an alcohol, I don't know. I think the first one is much better compared to this one. Just because it's kind of slow. I think this cube needs a bit of little bit of lube to make it fast. But the lube is inside my room, so I can get it, but not now. Let's check the box. It says Magic Cube, the perfect mind, exercise, intelligence, new style, base. What? Base challenge? They misspelled the name of the cube. It says brains instead of brains. It's okay. The spelling doesn't matter anyway. What does matter is the cube. That's all. Wait, so there's no pamphlet inside. Unless you can solve the cube though. If you can't, you can still check out some tutorials on YouTube. If you're really interested in solving this one. I think I'm gonna find my thumbnail. Yeah, I don't know which one was the first box I opened. Running a thumbnail, that's why I'm studying these cubes. Okay. I think it's accurate enough. I don't know. Just pause it for now. Okay, the thumbnail is done. Let's do some solves. Okay. Let's crumble this. Just realized I'm starting to like white cubes. I don't know. Maybe because they're soft. I guess. I think the first soft cube that I felt was way back 2017, and it was a GE cube, and it was broken because I don't know how to assemble a cube back then. I put the corner last, and fortunately the corner broke. What the like word? So I thought that was the right idea, but the edge was the right decision. I didn't know that because I was starting the cube with no experience whatsoever. Okay, let's do so. Let's go. Okay. Typical view. I think this is a OLS skip. Let's see. Okay, it's an OLS skip. Oh, very fortunate. Let's see about step one. Okay, that was fast though. I think I'm gonna trim this. I gotta trim this with one OLS skip and a PLS skip. That's nice. I really hope this shades doesn't fade out after I use them. in a couple months, because I think it's gonna happen just like from the Xing white cube that the other typically buys when they have no budget to buy some magnetic cubes like the artistry. And yeah, that stupid Xing, I really hate that cube because it's very cheap. And that's the cube that other uses for beginners. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it. Okay, I forgot the recording button. Let's forget about it. It's very good though. Now I'm gonna say about my thoughts to these cubes. This first one is really great. It's like a budget cube. This one is an extreme budget cube because of the price, $83. It's just like a $2 cube. I'm gonna summarize all of this. The corner cutting is actually good. I don't know why. Might be the best though, except this one because it's very stiff. I think the first one was the best compared to this two. Second one. Okay, I think that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.